recent brushes. I just did the round brush.
Okay. And he looks very gentle, actually, but that's cool.
You know, like a drug addict dragon.
he's just a mellow dragon, you know, and yeah.
I'm beautiful in the dragon.
Yeah, we're just kind of talking about color and stuff, you know, and just
areas: philosophical analysis, psychological analysis, a physics analysis, a musical theoretical analysis, a linguistic analysis, a parapsychological, psychopathological, a pathophysiological, a neurological approach, and a geophysics approach. And it was basically a 1 hour discussion covering mental disorder from all these different disciplines. And today I would probably like to, maybe an extension of it, or possibly see whatever direction this goes in.
Sure, yeah, I'm down for that as well. So yeah.
Right, so you have like a slide, then you have like the playing the instrument as a percussion. And like I say, I'm not too obsessed with stylistically, the few ways you can play different styles, jazz, blues, classical. I like the infinite ways you can play the instrument. Like one is where you have this kind of Billie Jean.